On the evening of June 22nd, 2007, Canada recorded its first F5 or EF5 rated tornado near the town of Eli, Manitoba. The video was recorded by a storm chaser named Justin Hobson, who, at one point, was less than a mile from this novel tornado. Although it took on a very clear and looming appearance throughout much of the footage, the most intense period of the tornado's lifespan occurred when the twister was relatively small. Strangely, F5 wind speeds and damage occurred when the funnel was less than 50 yards wide, as the tornado picked up an entire house intact before causing it to explode in mid-air.
There you go.
Yeah, that's sweet.
It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger.
There's tons of debris flying around.
Yeah. When I see those trees start moving,
Yeah, we're out of here.
yeah, I'm out of here. That's a good marker, eh?
Well, I'm gonna keep going, so good luck.
All right, take care, man.
Have a good one.
See you later. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is definitely. Yeah. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can hear it. I'm less than a mile from it. Yeah. I think it's hitting the town. Eli. I think it's either beside it or it's hitting it. Here, hold on. Actually, it just went. About 10 seconds ago, it hit a power line. Yeah. And like you can see the flash.
While the official rating assigned to this tornado remains controversial, the foundation of the airborne house was swept clean of debris, and another house was completely destroyed on the ground with similarly little left behind. Although no lives were lost in the Eli tornado, a dozen homes were seriously damaged, and the outcome would almost certainly have been worse in a more populated area or with a larger tornado than the one that occurred on that day. The trucker who uploaded this video stated that by April 2011, they had never seen a tornado in their 46 years of life. Although the weather forecast for April 27th was an ominous one, he must have thought that such a trend would continue. What he could not have known was that he would witness not only one, but two violent tornadoes on that day alone. As he was driving past Cullman, Alabama, he witnessed his first tornado, a whirlwind that was later rated an EF4 by the National Weather Service. While he only saw the tornado before and after it hit the town, between his momentary glimpses, hundreds of lives were changed forever.
Locations near the path of this tornado include...
Oh shit, there it is! Holy shit, there it is! Good Lord!
Take cover now. Move to an interior.
I'll show you the film when I get there. This thing is wild. I looked up and my radio was going off and I thought, what? You hear the sirens going off? Golly. These things are unreal looking. Yeah. It's still on the ground. There's people out here. We're all out here just filming it, and I'd say it's within a mile from me. The people are slamming. Can you hear them slamming on their brakes? People that seen it. Oh, it's got little ones coming off of it. Golly, there is little pieces of debris just flying all around it. It's like you think it disappears and then it gets real wide. It's got two. Oh, I got two of them side by side. Wow. Wow. I can't. Oh man, I know it's not exciting to you there, but I'm sorry. It scared the crap out of me because my thing went off. Oh, that thing's got two of them. Oh, yeah, let me get off the phone and I'll take pictures. Okay, bye. Wow.
1 hour later, from Tanner, Alabama, the cameraman would witness another violent tornado in the distance. As a community, Tanner itself had already fallen victim to a pair of EF5 tornadoes in 1974, and it would be battered all over again by the Phil Campbell tornado of 2011. Not only did the storm plunge the surrounding area into near complete darkness, but the tornado itself was even more deadly and powerful than the last, killing 12 times as many people and destroying over 16,000 buildings. Ominously, the tornado crossed Interstate 65, less than a third of a mile behind the cameraman and their truck.
Anybody that can hear this, this is the second tornado. Holy moly. Oh, Lord. Holy, I gotta roll the window up. Oh, Lord. God.
This video is the closest known recording of the May 2013 Moore, Oklahoma tornado, the most recent EF5 tornado on record as of 2025. It was recorded from Corbin Drive and 13th Street Southeast in Moore, less than a block away from the base of the funnel. The man taking the video, a husband and father, stated that his son was in school, but his daughter was home alone, and he was placed in the heart-wrenching situation of deciding who was in more pressing danger. Unbeknownst to him, however, he was actually in greater peril than any of his family members, ending up in the outermost areas of the Twister's debris field and very nearly among the dead. Although he would survive unscathed, Jeffrey later recalled that the video did not do justice to the sheer size, enormity, and power of the whirlwind. Much of the school where Jeffrey's son went would eventually be mangled by the tornado, but fortunately, nobody was hurt. Elsewhere in the twister's path, 24 people lost their lives, 200 others were injured, and entire subdivisions were flattened, amounting to over 1,000 buildings. Along with the El Reno and Washington tornadoes, the Moore tornado of 2013 would become one of the most astonishing tornadoes of that year, if not of all time. The Ringold, Georgia EF4 tornado was one of 11 such tornadoes associated with the April 2011 super outbreak, and one of its most ominous. A man named Trent Scott recorded the descent of the tornado onto the North Georgia city as the arrival of the twister and its parent thunderstorm turned the fading evening light into almost complete darkness. A darkness broken only by power flashes and the whirlwind's departure. Eventually, the expanding tornado disappears behind a house and nearby trees, and from that point forward, it became the worry of people in Ringold itself. 8 people would perish in the city, including an entire family of 4, as winds of 190 miles an hour swept over the terrified city.
There it is, boys. I've never witnessed a tornado, but I think I have now. God bless Ringo. Be with him. Oh God, be with him. Dear God, be with him. Dear God, be with him. Dear God, be with him. Finger of God, please God, be with them. Keep them safe. Dear Heavenly Father, please God, keep them safe. Dear God, please keep them safe. Oh God, we can't even see it anymore. This is behind it. This is behind it. That's where it's at right now. God be with him. Oh, God be with him. Oh, God be with him. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's people down there. I gotta get off here. I gotta call my family. Everyone pray.
Matt Wells was a resident of Washington, Illinois, when the tornado of November 17, 2013 rolled through the city, a disaster that has defined much of its history in the decades since. The tornado re-intensified from EF2 to EF4 strength just before reaching Washington, and it would remain at that level of strength throughout its time in the city of 15,000. While many Washington residents, including Matt's brother Mark, recorded infamous videos of the tornado destroying their homes with them inside, Matt recorded the visual spectacle of the tornado tearing through the city from afar, saturating the surrounding air with debris, dust, and dirt. He would escape the tornado unharmed, but as he drove away and out of its path, he witnessed a panoramic view of his community's destruction behind him, including his brother's house and over 1,000 others.
Oh my God, that's bad. I gotta move. Lord, please let everybody be okay.